Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to reset the oil light or the oil message on a Fiat 500. This one is a 2013 model, but it will be about the same for all of them. So when you get in your car and you start it, and if you have that message, okay, let me get the message right now. It's going to say have engine oil change. Okay, in order to reset that, what you need to do, you need to do the whole procedure that we're going to share with you in 5 seconds to be able to reset it. So you need to turn the car off, okay, all the way, pull the key out, and now you need to turn it before you start the car to second position and pump the gas pedal 3 times in 5 seconds. Okay, so we did that 1, 2 and 3 times, and now you can go ahead, turn it off and start it again, and change the oil message should be gone. Okay, and as you can see, we do not have the little warning light here, and we do not have the message in the cluster as well. So it's pretty simple procedure, just turn the key to the second position, pump the gas pedal 3 times all the way down and up. So thank you guys for watching this, don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.